So let's start by adding oil to the pot. Some salt, some Maggi cube. I have no and the chicken cube here. Onions. I have this some curry powder, some bay leaf. Just added 2. And then I blended tomatoes and onions. So guys, I want to try this multi tomato paste for the first time. Normally I don't like adding tomato paste, but because it's multi, I think it will be nice. So let's just add a little. So I'll cover this and allow it to fry. While this is frying, I'm going to wash my rice. So this is what our sauce is looking like. Let's just cover it and allow it to fry. We are going to be using basmati rice, about 4 cups of this. So it's still remaining a little. I'll just add this to it so that we finish the rice. I'm going to be adding a chili pepper. So that's about 1 tablespoon. So meanwhile, Money is washing the rice. The big sister is assisting in the little brother's birthday rice. I'm just going to add in some meat stock. I added 4 cups of water. So I'm just going to cover it and allow it to boil before adding the rice. So I added 1 spoon of salt off camera, and this is a Amawanda jollof rice spice. I feel advert I can't do so. So I'm just going to add in the rice. So we cover this and cook on low heat. I'm just going to turn it. You know, some people don't turn their jollof rice, but it's necessary so that you don't burn too much. Of course, jollof rice must burn, but so we're not going to be adding any more onions because my people, they don't go shop. They don't like onions. So guys, our rice is ready. This is Niger jollof rice. Guys, chicken is ready. So guys, lunch is ready. So we have rice here. We also have rice. Put them in 2 plates. Maybe we are going to be eating just this. So we have some crispy chicken. Yeah, this is crispy chicken. Some people will see it as too dried, but if it's not dry like this, my people, they know go shop. Yes, my people, they know they are safe. So this is a salad. So it's time to dig in, guys. Food is ready. Of course, take 1 minute, Mama.
You have to take leg.
Happy birthday, boy. Not say cuckoo. Money, say hello. So guys, it's lunch time. Let's enjoy our lunch, our birthday lunch.